Hey, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be trying out this nail drill that I received in the mail. It literally came just like this, not in a box, not nothing, literally packaged like this, which honestly I was scared because I thought it was going to be damaged because it wasn't in no box, no protective paper. It literally just came like this with the little sticker on there, the shipping label. So it came just like this. So I'm going to be trying out and basically reviewing it. I actually enjoy using this nail drill. Y'all know me when it comes to PRs and doing product reviews and stuff like that. A lot of brands do not like the way I do my product reviews, and that's why I don't get PR from companies, especially some of the ones that y'all used to see me do, because I'm honest and I tell the truth and all that good stuff. So starting off, I'm just going to be showing y'all the pamphlet and everything that comes with it. A whole lot of information in here. Really, really good. Really, really nice and informative. If you want to check that out, either purchase it or pause the video and you'll be able to read it. So here's all the things, the components and stuff that comes with it, the basics. I will say that the cord was pretty long. It's a little bit longer than the standard cord. And I will say, only thing I really didn't like about the cord is that you can't detach it from the handpiece, but that's not like a big deal. It does come with this charging base. You can either charge your drill while it's on the base or take it off the base and charge it like that, which is a plus. I will say this nail drill is really, really quiet. I wish I would have showed y'all how quiet it was, but I did have my fan blasting in the video, so it was pointless for me to show y'all whatnot. But I am just going to be finishing up my right hand. My last video, I did delete it, which is okay. A lot of people who did get the chance to watch it, and y'all know what I talked about in there. A lot of y'all was like, I think you should not do that and stuff like that. If you watched the last video, which is gone now, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe in the future, I'll bring that up in another video. But y'all, this nail drill is pretty nice. It fits the vibe of me. I like stuff basic, like black and white. Here's how the face of it looks. Really nice. Now the switch is not something like the reverse and forward. I really didn't too much care for, only because you might accidentally mess around and hit it and it flips off. Y'all know what I'm saying? The handpiece is a little bit thicker than the one I have currently with my nail drill, which I am going to show y'all in a second. The difference is not like a huge major difference, but it's a difference. Mine's a little slimmer. So here's the difference. So I'm not used to the chunky handles, but this one is not too chunky. It's literally right in the middle. For the most part, I liked it. The experience so far has been good. I will have to continue to use it to give a further deeper explanation of how I like everything and all that good stuff. But so far, for the first try, everything was good. There wasn't any issues that was like major that you needed to see. And this part right here that I'm pulling out that I almost forgot about, you clip this on the side of the nail drill and it holds the handle in there. But I will say this nail drill is pretty good. Now, as far as the longevity of it, you just have to continue to use it and stuff like that. But I will say I did not like that it came just the box itself with a label on there. The little forward and backward switch, I don't like that component. And also I don't like that it doesn't come like with a detachable, like you can remove the handpiece. Y'all know the part that's actually connected to the handpiece. You can't remove that. Those like the main three things that I will say that I don't like about the nail drill, but that's just a personal preference. Overall, everything else was good. It's literally smooth, easy, it's quiet. There's no crazy noise going on. Even when I turned it all the way up, I forgot what the highest RPMs is, but when I turned it all the way up to the highest RPMs, it was still relatively quiet. So that was a plus in my book. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the nail drill. Like, what's a review without actually using the product? Everything worked amazing. I did do these shorties on my nails, which this video is actually 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks old. So probably my next video, if I decide to record and stuff like that, you'll see me removing the nails because they've been on for a minute. I am temporarily switching over and just doing shorties. I don't know. I kind of like them. Originally, I didn't like them, but now that I got them on and it's been, marinating, sitting, I kind of like the vibe. Application was thick. I can't remember. I think in my last video I did do application, but if you missed it, you just missed it. I did delete it permanently. So I couldn't go back and change the voiceover, but in due time, I will discuss the conversation that we had in the video, which is not bad. It's something actually really good for the brand, but y'all will see when it comes up. And I do want to make an announcement that the polygel is literally back in stock. I added it to the website if anyone's interested in that. Furthermore, we will have more products slowly but surely adding back to the website. So just stay tuned, always check, and yeah, I hope everyone's having an amazing day, night, wherever you are. This video is really simple, easy, and straight to the point. All I'm doing is try out this nail drill and then just doing my nails. So overall, like I said, I would probably get this nail drill like a 7 out of 10. The 3 components that I mentioned that I did not like is personal preference, but the drill is pretty darn good. There's like nothing bad. I just really don't like the thick handpiece. It's a little bit thicker than what I like. The cord and the forward and reverse switch. That's basically it. Everything else is pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and shapify my nails and just finish them out. All I did was really just do some simple French tips and then call it a day. But yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. I need to get back consistent. I did take a little break only because I just don't feel like doing content at all. But sometimes you just got to get out of that funk and just do what you got to do. But I am out of frame just a little bit, but that's okay. Eventually I am going to move downward so y'all can be able to see everything. But only thing I'm doing is just cleaning my nails up and shaping the file of them and then buff them. But moving right along, I am going to be taking my gel polish number 2. This is from the Valentine's. It's the cat eye one, and I'm just going to do a thin layer of this on the nails. This is a cat eye, but I won't be using it as a cat eye. I'll just be using it as like a regular glitter base, and I'm only going to do 1 coat of this. I'm really not doing anything special. I really just wanted a glitter base, which I could have just used my nude glitter acrylic that looks almost like this instead of doing it like this, but oh well, what to do. And as well as I am going to be taking my black and white, which is not yet available, but soon will be in the future. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing some black French tips with a cute little white polka dot, something that's been really trendy lately in the nail industry. Like the polka dot nails has been looking really, really cute, and I decided to do them. I wasn't doing my nails a particular way. Like I really didn't care how the French tip turned out. I just wanted to do them and get it over with. But yeah, y'all, I hope everyone have an amazing day, night, wherever you are. I will link everything in the description box down below, as well as they did give me a coupon code if anyone's interested in it. There's no commission or anything, going towards it. It's just a coupon code that y'all can use. I don't know the percentage off of it, but I think it ends April the 30th, so you have quite a bit of a time to use it. But I will leave everything linked in the description box down below, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and I will see y'all in my next one. Until next time, bye. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell.
Shadow, I'm off of the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
it's not going well.
get some me time.
I don't know if you're doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
it's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
it's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark in the frame. You're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be alone. You tugging more and more. I just think the empathy so I crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me